From the Acceleration Consortium here. I have a simple video today, 3D printing OpenFlexure's Delta Stage microscope, or at least printing the main body to it. And so I'll walk through downloading an STL file from the OpenFlexure website, uploading it to some 3D printing software for Bambu Labs, and then sending that print to the printer. Okay, so from here we'll open up Bambu Studio. That is the Bambu Labs 3D printing software, where we'll import the STL file that we downloaded. We'll go to the Prepare tab at the top left and double check our settings. So we're going to use a gray PLA that's already installed into the machine. We use a fine 0.12 millimeter layer height, and very importantly, we're going to disable the supports here, and then we're going to add our file in using the button at the top. Now, the reason we disable supports is that this part was specifically designed to be printed without supports, and when you add supports, it can interfere with the mechanisms there. There are a few more buttons we can use to auto-orient or control, do an auto layout of spacing. We don't really need to do that here because it's a single part and it's already in the right orientation. When we go to the Preview tab, it then slices the code, and what that means is it creates G-code, which is the low-level language that tells the printer what path to take, when to turn things on, and essentially orchestrates the whole process of creating the part from the high-level instructions from our STL file. Then from here we can go and preview the chamber. This is a nice feature of Bambu Lab with this X1E printer. So we can see that chamber video feed pop up. We can go back to preview and click Print Plate at the top right, double check the settings. Everything looks okay, and then this print should take around 7.5 hours. Okay, then we go back to the device interface. And we see that it is downloading the model. Once the model has been downloaded fully, the printer can then go through some of its pre-processing steps. This involves cooling the chamber and getting the filament ready, and so on. And then finally here you can see that the print has continued at about 8%, and that'll continue for the next 7 hours or so.